All right, David here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact results and how I made $3,800 in just 30 days with affiliate marketing on this one platform. So the $3,800 I'm going to be talking about is not all of the affiliate commissions that I make, but I want to talk specifically about how I made almost $4,000 this last 30 days on one affiliate account and one platform. So let's dive in. So I'm inside of my Impact account right here, and you'll see we have $7,500 pending right over here. We just made $14 today. Last week, we made $151 on this same day on a Thursday. I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to select the last 30 days inside of my account. And then we're going to be able to see that $3,827 based on 130 actions. That's basically 130 sales on my products and only 1,100 clicks. Now, this generated almost $19,000 in revenue for the company that I promoted, but I did get paid this much. So that's a pretty nice, hefty chunk of change, I must say. That definitely takes care of my mortgage and more bills as well. And this is not all of the money in my business. And so I want to teach you how I did this and how we can go about maybe replicating what I'm doing, or at least thinking outside the box and doing something similar to what I'm doing. I don't think that directly copying somebody works. So you're going to have to find your own way, but you can use this for motivation in order to find what works best for you. Okay. And just so you can see that my conversion rate, however they track this conversion rate, it's just incorrect. I don't know how they actually track this conversion rate, but if we actually come over here and see that we had 1,141 clicks, those are clicks to on our affiliate links. We made 130 sales from that, right? So we just go over to a percentage calculator. What is 130 sales? What percentage of that is one of 1141, right? So we calculate that. We're looking at 11.39%. Whoever did this type of coding right here, I think that they have the placeholders incorrect on here, because this actually is an 11% conversion rate. So this 11 needs to be on the other side. It is actually an 11% conversion rate. The way that they're reporting this is that it's a 0% conversion rate, or less than 1%. And that's just not true, because we had 130 sales based on basically 1,000 clicks. Do the quick math on that. It's definitely over 10%, right? And so pretty cool stuff. But how do we do this? We do what I always teach, which is building an audience, right? We need to build an audience, and we need to have an offer and be very direct about what we're doing. So when we come over and we look at some of my channels, one of my channels on YouTube is a software review channel. And if we come over here, you'll see we have 13,000 subscribers. All right. And we'll go over here and just look at videos. How did I do this? If we look at the amount of times that I post, right? So I published 4 hours ago, I published 2 days ago, then 3 days ago, 6 days ago, 7 days ago, 8 days ago. And then I actually was on vacation during this time, but then you'll see the 2 week mark, 2 week, 2 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. I am publishing consistently, and I'm doing software reviews on every single video. Even with this video right over here, we did this software review, but then I wanted to create a creative video and use the tool some more and do like a tutorial on how could I get more creative using that software. And so then I created another one right here. And this just continues to drive traffic and sales. Look at this. We got almost 6,000 views on this software review alone. And then we followed up with another 3,000 views right there. And then we did another software review right here. And it's just continuing. And when I like a software, or I think my audience will like a software, it's a great topic, then I'll do follow-up videos, right? So I did a marquee review right here. And then we come back over here, and then today's video was a marquee update video. And what that means is that they added, based on my video over here, let me show you some really cool stuff. If we actually click on this video here, all right. We scroll down to the comments right here, you'll see My Marquee AI. This is the actual software creators from that tool. And they reached out and said, hey, I'm one of the founders of Marquee, and he works on the UI and the UX. Thanks for the review. Love hearing your feedback, how to improve. So I'm not only, and you can see likes coming in, people are watching this video as we speak right now, but you're not only making money in commissions, but you're also helping out people. You're helping out the software developers. You're helping other people make decisions on if this is the right software. So you actually get to make money in a unique way, helping people, which is super fun. And that's what I like to do. But you can see very important part right here. Thought I'd add a couple updates here in case you are interested. So we're currently working on a per platform approach, editing, publishing posts. But they did say this right over here. They said, yeah, I saw your last video, and that was that last video that I did the first review on. And then they realized that Pinterest was a higher priority for people than they thought. So guess what? They immediately went and took action, and they added Pinterest as a connection. And so you can actually publish your Pinterest on automation with this tool. So based on my review, they actually made changes to their software. Super cool stuff. We're also working on a more in-depth visual editor, blah, blah, blah. So you can see that they really like the review and just the information that they're getting back from users and software reviewers and testers like myself, okay? So that was really cool. So just to go back to my point over here, that I do follow-ups, right? So this one hits, this one did really well, and then I know my audience likes this software, and they would probably want a video on what the Pinterest functionality of that software is. So then that's what I did today. And so you can create a similar channel. Now, this is based on some AppSumo reviews right over here. This is a place called AppSumo, and this is a software-based platform that usually hosts around 500 applications on it at once, and these are some really good deals for people. Now, I'm not necessarily telling you that you should go out and try to do exactly what I'm doing on my YouTube channel, although you can, but you just need to know that there's going to be a really big grind ahead of you in order to become an affiliate on AppSumo and actually start making thousands of dollars like I am. I got started 3 years ago doing this with AppSumo, and so I'm somewhat of a unique affiliate with them. But that's not, I want to take that a step further and show you that you need to create your own way, right? And I've done this several different times. I don't know where I stand right here, but I'm going to go ahead and just say SEO writing AI, and then just type that software in. This is a software, and you'll see that I'm ranked #1 still, even though this is a massive software, a lot of affiliates, they have a very generous affiliate program, and a lot of people have created content on this, and they have a lot of affiliates. And you can see I'm going against people with 40,000 subscribers that are making software reviews and so forth on this. But I'm still the authority on the topic. When we come over here, you'll see I have a fellow competitor. He has way more subscribers than me, Words at Scale, and Mike Shuey. I'm not surprised that those two are the other people that are ranked for this. But I'm ranked #1 according to vidIQ for just topic knowledge of this, because you can see all these different videos that I've made. And so this is what my point to you is: you can go out and do something similar that I did, SEO writing AI. So let me quickly show you the 6-Figure Freedom Club and why you should join. My name is David, and in 2023, I made $156,000 in affiliate commissions. This club is packed with comprehensive courses, live coaching, and a vibrant community already making sales. If you're struggling to make money online, our members are here gaining real income and growing their businesses. Ready to grow a real online business? The first step is taking action. Let me show you how. Click the first link below to get started. What you can do is come over to a site called Futurepedia, which has thousands of software. It's basically a giant resource or database of the latest AI software tools that hit the market. And so you can come over here, and what I like to do is maybe go into AI writing generators, and then maybe go into new and just start looking through here and seeing perfect for composing articles, blog posts, and I look at bookmarks, what people are looking at. Obviously, you need to know the market a little bit. Like, you're probably going to have a lot more competition creating an entire YouTube channel or ranking for a lot of content right off the bat for like Notion, Jasper, ChatGPT, definitely ChatGPT, probably the biggest software, most popular software of all time. But when we come through here, something stands out right over here. So there's 1,000 bookmarks right here, and this thing's called Monica, right? Has some decent ratings right over here out of 3.5, but that's only 5 ratings. I can look past that a little bit, but this is Monica. So I would go and click on it and then check it out and see what we have going on with this one. So we'd open that up, and you can create and insert with one click, and it's an AI generator. So I would read a little bit about it and so forth. And then what I would do is I would just go and visit, and you can see there's related categories, very specific, and you can create an entire channel based on that. But what I would do in this case is we would just go and open up the site right over here, do some investigation. And here's what I like to do. If you want to install this SimilarWeb on your application, you can go over here and you'll be able to see that this site is getting 4 million people are actually going to this site. So it's that tells me that it's a big software. There's a lot of traffic to this software. They have 10,000 reviews right over here showing that it's 5-star. So then what you would do is you would go in and they got #1 product of the day. So go and do your research, do your due diligence, watch the videos, do the research. And then once you're confident that this is a software that you want to go out, and I recommend if you're going to go and make 5-10 videos, at least sign up for a month of their lowest paid plan. That way you can make a lot of content around it. So then you're going to go and you can add this to Chrome. You can go and sign up for this. And then you're going to go and you're going to start creating content tutorials, how to make money with this tool, how to do this, how to create a blog post with this tool, and go out and dominate for this term right over here. And then what you're going to do is once you go and sign up, like we'll go and look at the pricing over here, and under pricing, you'll see that you can get it as low as $8 a month. If we go to monthly, it's $10 a month, $20 a month, or even $40 a month. You get a lot of content out of this, okay? And there's a lot to create content. You can create an entire YouTube channel around basically this one tool. It creates images, it creates content, AI content. You can go out and do a case study, create a blog, start writing content with this, and so forth. So the sky's the limit on what you can do. Here's what Monica can do. All-in-one chat bot. You got web access. I don't know if that's true. I think ChatGPT actually has web access now, but action and quick compose, reading, web page, image reading, search. There's a ton of stuff that it does. Then we can come over here. And then what I like to do is, in most cases, you will see that there is an affiliate program. And sometimes once you sign up for the app, then you'll see what the affiliate program is. Right over here, I'm not seeing affiliate, and that's okay. But generally speaking, you'll come down here and you'll find an affiliate program associated with the software down here. And then you'll go and you can sign up for the tool, you can become an affiliate, and then you can go out and market this and create a bunch of content around there so that you can go out and start doing what I've done. So you don't have to just be like an AppSumo affiliate. I'm just sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but if you push hard at being an AppSumo affiliate, I think that you're going to be disappointed at how much of a grind, how many software reviews you actually have to do in order to start making money. But the faster, better way, learn from somebody that's done this for years and actually learn from someone that can actually tell you a better way to do this. And the better way to do this would be to go out and find a software and then go to town on creating content for that. And you can go and model the types of videos that I made. And look, like right over here, SEO writing AI review, hard to not get excited about this one. 11,000 views on this one right over there. And it's brought me a lot of money. I can go and show you how much money, but this one alone brought me thousands and thousands of dollars of commissions as well. And so you can go out and I get this asked in my private exclusive community, and you can go and check that out right below. But people are always wondering and asking the same questions. How do I start with affiliate marketing? The answer is simple. Replicate what I'm doing here. It's probably going to be tough for you to outrank me right over here, but find a software on Futurepedia, one that's getting a lot. So this one right here is looking really good because it gets 4 million visitors per month. And there's a huge opportunity over here. But if you don't like that one, just go up to AI tool categories, go to something that you're really into, video enhancer, video editing. There's 98 tools in video editing. Come back over here. Here's a brand new tool that just came out. There's a free trial for it. You can go and check out AutoCut. And this is a tool that uses Adobe Premiere, and it cuts out silences and does all kinds of cool things. There's so many opportunities and tools out here for you to go and actually start promoting as an affiliate and start making real affiliate commissions like what you're seeing right over here, almost $4,000 just from this one platform alone. So hopefully this enlightens you, motivates you that anybody can do this. I'm just an average Joe, don't have any special skills or anything like that. I'm just a grinder. I don't mind making videos on a daily basis and trying to make quality videos, trying to help people out, and then also make money on the side doing this. this. This affords me over $15,000 per month, but I wanted to show you this right over here. So super cool. I hope that you are subscribed to this channel so you can get more content and tips about affiliate marketing and faceless YouTube channels. That's basically what I talk about on this channel right here. So if that's what you like, make sure to subscribe, watch the rest of my videos. And if you want to connect with me on a more personal level where you can direct message me, you can be on Zoom calls with me weekly, engage with my private community. There will be a link below. The price is going up in May. We have over 100 members and we are having a great time in the community. Go check that out. I will see you in the next video.